Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend uthando Dlamuka from Isengane Lengane ngemva kokuthi abonakale laphana ku TikTok afake makeup amhle ngendlela lesimanga, and people were really complimenting umogela, saying ukuthi ayibogele ave umuhle, or people are saying ukuthi girl indlela umuhle ngakhona nje sokushoda ngelokuthi ushiye usiyaqela. So like muhle ugeli ngendlela lesimanga, kuyakhombisa nje ukuthi lapha kusenqane lengane ugeli bamgugisa basikhombayana nje ezidlakadlaka nje ugeli muhle shem. Buke nje masekafake makeup, you won't even recognize ukuthi ngithando Dlamuka from Isengane alengane mfati wasiyaqela. So people don't like the fact that usahleli laphana ngabo siyaqela. People are saying ukuthi girl hamba ekhaya monga goduka, uyabona nje ukuthi umuhle njani, but bukela mawulapha kusengane lengane usiyaqela lokabhiza athukana nawe laphana uzivisa buhlungu. Bakwende ngazi ukuthi unkunzi ayagogo lomdzala kuba umncane, and you are really beautiful. Stop wasting your time, stop wasting your future ngokuthi lokuhlili laphana nendoda lengakuhloniphi. So people were really saying ukuthi hayibo ugirl muhle shem, like I don't wanna lie, muhle nami ngiyambona shem. Futhi makafake makeup nje hayi cha, mina nje bengambona ukuthi ngithando, sengibone account nje ukuthi hayibo uthando Dlamuka, hayibo ngiyangena mina ngiyabona ukuthi hayibo uyena. So guys, people are saying ukuthi akahambe ashiye usiyaqela utomthola nje umuntu lo right. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.